Hare Krishna. We are in chapter 1, verse 27 of Bhagavad Gita. Svashuran suhataschaiva senayorubhayorapi tan samikshya sakamteya sarvan bandhunavastithan kripaya paraya vistho Vishidhanidhamabhravith. Let us repeat. Svashuran suhudaschaiva senayorubhayorapi tan samikshya sakaunteya sarvan bandhunavastitan kripaya paraya vistho Vishidhanidhamabhravit. Let us see the purport. Arjuna, being in the center of both the armies, he is depressed by seeing fathers-in-law and friends also. He, being son of Kunti, seeing all his kith and kin stood in the center and spoke sorrowfully, filled with deep pity. All his well-wishers were fighting with him, and even in his opposite side. All kinds of relationships are ready to fight. Arjuna, with compassion, high grade, overwhelmed with lamentation, and spoke. This sight, perhaps for the first time, brought to his mind the full realization of the tragedies of a fratricidal war. As a warrior and a man of action, he fully realized the extent of sacrifice that society would be called upon to make in order to fulfill Duryodhana's cruelties. This sight brought a flood of pity and compassion to Arjuna's mind. Anyhow, this can't be honest emotion for all the incidents of the past. It's Buddha like emotion. This emotion which is seen now, Sanjaya glorifies as pity in Arjuna, is a misnomer. Moral is, in the human heart, there is always a great tendency to glorify one's own weakness with some convenient angelic name. Thus, a rich man's vanity is misnamed as charity when he builds temple in his own name with the secret aim of immortalizing himself. This desperation that came in Arjuna's mind due to the complete shattering of his mental equilibrium has been misnamed and glorified as pity. Arjuna went through long life with mental repressions that developed infinite amount of dynamic energies seeking a field for expression. His mind got split with egoistic as greatest hero. This neurotic condition brought out his expressions as hysterical blabberings as a mental patient. It is like case history of a patient suffering from the typical Arjuna disease. But remember, Bhagavad Gita is extremely efficient Krishna cure for this soul-killing Arjuna disease. Moral is, every day we are fighting between mind and body as conflict. But read Gita to get solutions for the highest happiness in you. Thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't done so and watch this as we are watching many different things which is unnecessary and unuseful for us for our liberalization. Kindly listen at least to this Bhagavad Gita just 2 minutes. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ 1 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 27. ತಾನ್ ಸಮೀಕ್ಷ ಸ ಕೌಂತೆಯ ಸರ್ವಾನ್ ಬಂಧೂನವಸ್ಥಿತಾನ್ ಕೃಪಯಾ ಪರಯಾವಿಷ್ಟೋ ವಿಷೀದನ್ನಿದಮಬ್ರವೀತ್. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಸೇರಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಕಡು ಕರುಣೆಗೊಳಗಾಗಿ ಭಾವಪರವಶನಾಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದನು. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಒಂದುಗೂಡಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಕರುಣೆಗೊಳಗಾಗಿ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯದಿಂದ ದುಃಖದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ತುಮುಲವನ್ನು ಕೃಷ್ಣನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಳಲನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮುಂದೆ ತೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದನ್ನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಮೊದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ